you are a freelancer or you're thinking of becoming one, the burning question on everybody's mind for 2025 is, what is the best freelancing skills to master right now? To answer that, I spent 5 hours going through 400 Upwork job posts just to discover what clients are paying for and why. In this video, I will break down 4 skill categories that clients are scrambling for, why they are in demand, and give you specific examples within each category based on real data. Let's dive in. First up, AI and tech skills are leading the way. This isn't just a trend, it's a revolution. Businesses of all sizes are leveraging AI to automate workflows, generate content, or build smarter systems, and they need freelancers to help them do it. So, from what I saw on Upwork, clients aren't just looking for someone who knows how to use ChatGPT. They are looking for specialists in Python, artificial intelligence, machine learning, API development, and AI agent development. Next, we have digital marketing skills. Now, in a world where online presence is everything, businesses are constantly battling for attention. They want to be seen, heard, and converted. Clients are looking for people who understand how to turn clicks into conversion. So, my Upwork deep dive revealed a huge appetite for these skills I'm about to mention: sales and marketing, lead generation, marketing strategy, social media marketing, and email marketing. If you can help a business grow its audience or drive sales, you would always be in demand. Moving on, we have data analytics skills. Now, in 2025, data is the new oil, but raw data is useless if you cannot make sense of it. Businesses are desperate for freelancers who can collect, interpret, and present data in a way that drives smart decisions. Now, these skills are what you should watch out for data analytics. They are high in demand. So, businesses are drowning in data and they are willing to pay for clarity and foresight. Last but not the least is the coding and development skill. The digital world still runs on code, and someone needs to build and maintain it. So the need for skilled developers is constant. Whether it's building a brand new website, optimizing an existing one, or creating web applications, developers are the architects of the digital landscape. Now, there's a growing demand for freelancers who understand web development, API integration, JavaScript, web design, Python, web app development. The digital infrastructure of the world relies on developers. So if you can build, fix, improve online systems, your skills will always be in demand. There you have it. Some of the top freelancing skills in 2025 according to job listings on Upwork. Now, I will leave you with this pro tip. You don't need to master them all. Just pick one of them or two of these categories that truly excite you, and then niche down and make yourself impossible to ignore within these high demand areas. So, which of these skills are you most excited to learn or already mastering? Let me know in the comments below. I would love to hear from you. If you found this video helpful and you want more tips like this or a breakdown on how to turn these skills into consistent freelance income, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell so that you don't miss our next video. Bye for now.